Hello and welcome back. So, you've opened up PowerPoint and you're looking at the start screen. This is where every great presentation begins. The big question is, how do you want to begin? Do you need to build something from the ground up with complete creative control? Or do you need a professional-looking presentation put together fast? PowerPoint gives you two excellent starting points to answer that question: creating from a blank presentation or using a template. Let's explore both, so you can choose the right path for any job. Path 1. Using a template, the quick start. Imagine this. Your manager walks over and says, "I need a presentation for the client meeting this afternoon. Can you put together a quick project proposal?" Your deadline is tight. This is the perfect time to use a template. A template is essentially a pre-designed blueprint for your presentation. It comes with a full set of matching colors, professional fonts, and even some slide layouts already built for you. It's the fastest way to get from zero to a great-looking presentation. When you first open PowerPoint, you see the blank presentation option, and right next to it, a collection of templates. You can scroll through these, but the real power is in the search bar at the top. This is a key skill for efficiency. Let's say we need that project proposal. Simply type "proposal" into the search bar and press enter. Instantly, PowerPoint shows you a variety of professionally designed proposal templates. When you click on one, it gives you a preview. You can even see different color schemes for that template, which PowerPoint calls theme variants. Once you find one you like, just click the Create button. And there you go. In just a few clicks, you have a presentation with a title slide. And if you look at the slide thumbnails on the left, you'll see it already has several other pre-designed slides waiting for you. All you have to do is click inside the text boxes, which are called placeholders, and replace the sample text with your own.
All right, let's put this into practice with a quick, real-world challenge. I want you to take 5 minutes and find a template for one of the following on-the-job scenarios. 1. A presentation to welcome a new team member. 2. A financial summary for the last quarter. 3. A marketing plan for a new product. Go ahead and open PowerPoint. Use the search bar and create a presentation from the template you find. The goal isn't to complete the presentation, but to see how quickly you can find a professional and relevant starting point for a common business task.
Path 2. Starting with a blank presentation, the custom build. Great job with the templates. They are fantastic for speed. But what if your company has very strict branding rules, with specific colors and logos you have to use? Or what if you have a unique idea and you want to design everything yourself? For those situations, you'll want to start with a blank presentation. This option gives you total control. Let's go back to the PowerPoint start screen. This time, simply find the option that says Blank Presentation and double-click it. What you see now is the default starting point. A single, clean title slide with 2 placeholders, one for your main title and one for a subtitle. This is your blank canvas. Nothing has been decided for you. You are in the driver's seat and will choose the design, the colors, and the fonts, which we will cover in upcoming modules. Starting blank might seem simple, but it's a fundamental skill. It ensures that your presentation is built exactly to your specifications from the very first slide.
Let's practice this with another common workplace task. Imagine you're creating the standard monthly departmental update. 1. Create a new blank presentation. 2. On the title slide, click in the main title placeholder and type Sales Department, Monthly Update. 3. In the subtitle placeholder, type your name and today's date. That's it. You've just laid the first stone. You've started a presentation from scratch that is ready to be built out and customized to fit your exact needs.
So, let's quickly recap what we've learned. For speed and convenience, especially when you're on a tight deadline, start with a template. Use the search bar to find one that fits your topic. For total control, custom branding, or a unique design, always start with a blank presentation. Knowing when to use each of these starting points is your first step toward becoming a more efficient and effective PowerPoint user. You've done excellent work today. In our next lesson, we will take these presentations we've just started and begin to build them out by adding, deleting, and rearranging slides. See you there.